What's up guys, welcome back to my channel here, and today we are gonna play CSL Classic. So, for now, I'm gonna buy a Tier 4 car now, because I already finished Tier 2 and 3 here. So, I'm gonna start with Tier 4. But guys, I was so sorry that I didn't make any videos of Tier 2 or Tier 3. So anyways, let's get started. So let's go to Tier 4. I'm probably gonna choose this one, because I can also use this for the car specific event. Well, for most people, when you unlock Tier 3, there'll be some car specific events you would see. Okay? So, as you unlock Tier 3, you will see those events. Okay? So now let's not waste our time. Now let's buy this. This isn't the car specific event, so let's gonna buy it. Let's buy it. Oh my god, that is 120 gold. I don't have it. I should wait. Hey, how about I teach you about a glitch instead of waiting for a long time for this car to be delivered. So let's get started. First, all you have to do is to go to settings. Then you have to go to system. It's for Android. Okay? This is Android, okay? Then you have to go to date and time. Then we have to turn off the automatic date and time. Then we can set time. Boo. So the car was like, we have to wait for 59 for 1 hour. Right? So let's go 1 hour ahead, up to 12:50 p.m. So now let's go back to the game and see that the car is already delivered. This glitch looks like similar, like the fuel glitch. Like fuel glitch. Like when your fuel is gone, you have to go 2 hours ahead. This kind of glitch looks pretty similar. You see this? Super set. Ta-da! Your new Hemi-Cuda has arrived. You wanna see it? Show me. Ta-da! Simple as that. You got your free car in less than an hour. So, this is the end of the video now. So, if this method was helpful, oh, wait, I forgot. I can teach you one more thing. You can go back to normal time by just pressing the automatic date and time. And ta-da! You're back in your normal time with your car delivered. So, this is the end of the video. And if this method was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. And my next video is that I'm gonna make a car restoration glitch for stage 4 and stage 5. So that's the next video. And if you don't, and you should And if you want to see that video, then you have to turn on the notification bell to see my new video. So this is it. Respond. Bye and bye.